It's hard to put into words what exactly my fellow Jamaicans are currently going through, especially over there on the western side of the island. Unfortunately, Melissa came and left a lasting impression that would take some people months, if not years, to recover from. And understandably so, sports, and yes, even football, is the last thing on anyone's mind at the moment. But one of the reasons why we all love sports is that it sometimes have that special charm to bring people together when they're at their lowest. We all rally around the West Indies in the 70s. We knocked pot covers together for Usaid and Shelley. And of course, we all took a holiday to celebrate the 98th version of the Reggae Boyz on that fateful November day. Now, fast forward to present, we are a few weeks away from the current Reggae Boyz looking to take the field again on November 13th versus Trinidad and Tobago, and again on the 18th against Curacao with World Cup qualifications on the line. 2 victories, or at the very least beating Curacao on the final day here in Kingston, will get us over the line. And if the boys weren't under enough pressure to get the job done, they should be aware of the great opportunity to not heal those fresh wounds left by Melissa, but to give the country a small break from the despair and to smile, even if it's for 90 minutes. I mean, surely an opportunity like this is why any of us would love to don the Jamaican colors. This right here should be why any young Jamaican footballer should dream to make the national team. Also, throughout the entire qualification campaign, the national team has been plagued with the old tired local versus foreign narrative, which has honestly made no sense to me in the first place. But surely now, at least for the immediate future, we can put all that aside and put aside all our differences, as unity now is needed more than ever. And if God forbid we don't qualify, just remember, while you are in your full right to feel disappointed, at the end of the day, it's only a tiny speck in the grand scheme we call life. As for my fellow Jamaicans, especially those whose lives has been uprooted by Hurricane Melissa, and by the way, some of these people are related to many of the Reggae Boyz players, my heart is with you guys, and we will hopefully rebuild and rise again. No, I won't end this video in my usual fashion by telling you guys to like and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff, but instead I will tell you guys first, More Pleasant Football Academy will be using its upcoming Caribbean Cup semi-final second leg clash against Trinidad Defence Force on Wednesday, November 5 at the National Stadium to launch a donation drive in support of the Jamaicans and communities severely affected by Hurricane Melissa. So, a nice way to watch some football and help out with the hurricane relief efforts at the same time. And secondly, a reminder that our government had launched an official website where you can go and send donations regardless of where you are in the world. I won't place the link in the description because I don't want to give the impression I am trying to scam anyone to go to a fake site, but you could see the page right here on the screen. Again, thank you all for watching. On YouTube, keep your heads up high, keep safe, help out your fellow man, and big up yourself.